Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. We are taking a walk. Everything is so dry, but the trees start to come now. They start to come finally. Yeah, you remember 2 weeks ago here was snow still? Well, it's gone now. We are almost end of April. We are going up the hill. And here they are. First sign of spring. These are crocuses, and they are the first sign of spring. And there is COP, Canada Olympic Park. Still has some snow. And there is the highway going south. More crocuses. And some little yellow flowers. So we got at the top, gorgeous weather. As I said, 20 degrees or more. What's the temperature?
About 20.
About 20? 68 Fahrenheit? Yeah. So there we are.